Kanyaka Station ruins, about 40 k's outside of Quorn, South Australia. It was established as a cattle station in 1852, but the stone structures arrived a little bit later. It's a fascinating story about Hugh Proby, who came to an unfortunate end chasing his cattle in a flooded river. Severe droughts in the area forced the station to close because of massive losses to the sheep. "70 families worked on the station at one stage, so it was a pretty big affair. It was a short drive to the creekside where Hugh Proby was buried.
See how long it takes till they take off. Well, they're coming towards us. They're not very happy about that. Oh, let's turn around. Let's start running. And running. And running. See how long... No, don't. See how long we can follow them for. They're fast. How many k's are you doing left?
40 kilometres an hour.
Oh, there's an out. Off they go.
Six years later, the engraved slab came from England, which was said to weigh 1.5 tonnes, so it was a bit of a challenge to get it out here.